What's the meaning of Admiral of the Fleet? Admiral of the Fleet. 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 Admiral of the Fleet is a military rank that denotes the highest-ranking officer in the Royal Navy. This title is typically bestowed upon those who have demonstrated exceptional leadership, skill, and experience in naval operations, and is considered one of the most prestigious positions within the British Armed Forces. Individuals who hold this rank are responsible for overseeing and directing naval operations, and serving as advisors to high-level military and political leaders. The title has a long history dating back to the 18th century and remains an important symbol of naval power and authority in the modern era.